Everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to import your tool library. And it doesn't matter what part you have open, it can actually be blank, but you have to have an individual part model open to do this. So we're going to go all the way to the far right tab, which is for HSM Works. And you have to make sure you've saved your part. And you're going to go to Tool Libraries. And I would probably just select my libraries. So you first have to create the library. So I'm going to call this the S60 lathe tools. We right click on the tool library. We're going to hit import tools from library. And you're going to navigate to where you've stored those. So here's my file where I uploaded it. That should be in your H drive. And here's my tool library. Okay, that's it. And we'll see you in one of the programming tutorials.